Climate change and global warming are the biggest problems we have ever faced, and the vast majority of people out there really care about it. But there's a sense in which the problem feels unobtainable. The reality is current solutions are too expensive, like electronic vehicles, or are difficult to find, like sustainable products, meaning we're all guilty of not doing our bit.
Behavioural science shows us that even a person with high motivation does not act if taking action is too hard. There's the feeling that we all want to do more, but we don't know how. This results in people living below the action line.
And ekko changes that.
We've designed and created a completely new model where every transaction has a positive reaction. It makes it effortless to change the world. We combine fintech, marketplace, open banking and retail into one transformative app. To kick off, we've created a bank account that spreads good vibes around the world, where every time you use your ekko card, just like normal, be it on a weekly shop or buying a coffee, it contributes to you planting a forest or collecting thousands of ocean-bound plastic bottles. Our ekko app lets you see your bank balance, tree count and bottle count all in one place. Our carbon meter shows you your own carbon footprint from the things you've bought. We've also built a new ecosystem which gives you access to sustainable products and services, which we're calling the Enviroeconomy.
To really make an impact, we needed to create something that is effortless, tangible, so people can see the difference that they're making, and transformative. So we made those the core principles of everything we do. We believe that people will choose to do good and to make a difference if given that opportunity. Over the next 5 years, together we'll plant over 50 million trees and stop well over 500 million bottles from ending up in our oceans. But ekko is just the first step in building the Enviroeconomy. We'll be expanding into corporate expenses, allowing businesses to send good vibes amongst their teams whilst achieving their ESG targets. We'll expand our marketplace to switch customers to positive energy, book electronic vehicles and buy more sustainable products. And through our retail partnerships, we're bringing together the world's leading brands and empowering their customers to bring about effortless, transformative change.
At ekko, we think that tackling climate change should be a positive experience. That's why we've created a brand that makes you smile, makes you feel good, an iconic brand that people want to be part of. We've already partnered with MasterCard in a 5-year, multi-million-pound deal and have enlisted the marketing agency who launched Deliveroo, Bumble and TikTok into new countries to launch us in the UK. We're excited about launching ekko, we're excited about the future and making a real difference in the world.